Welcome to another video by Abron. This is digital hot plate with the thermostat, SS top and digital controls. This one is for on-off main switch. This is for main switch. When you switch it on and on, this tell you load. Load means heating going on. Heating is going on. You see this is a digital controller. Now it will start giving you the heating and the indicator will glow. Now indicator is glowing, and this also tells you heating. The temperature set is 100 degree. You can set the temperature and then bring it to, say, I can bring it to about 90 degree or 100 degree. It can be used as a slide warming table. I can set it or 60 and then enter it. Now it is 19 degree temperature on the top and 60 degree is my desired temperature. And here I can again reduce it or increase it to 61 and then enter it. This is 61 degrees my desired temperature, and in temperature of the hot plate is 19 at present. Now the hot plate has a top is stainless steel, its body is steel powder coated, and this can also is called sometimes slide warming table or hot plate with the stainless. We have got the hot plate without the stainless steel top. Another one is with the stainless steel top. It is called sometimes slide warming table when it is to be used on 37 degree or 60 degree. It can be used for maintaining the temperature for 37 degree or 37 degree also. For that I can set it to 37 degree, bring it to 37. But please note, this temperature thermostat is only telling you the temperature of the part which is close to the, and if you want to maintain the temperature, you should keep it running for about 10-20 minutes, then it will maintain the temperature of the full surface and then it can be used. So the heaters are here and there, so the temperature on the heater part will be more and the other section will be less. So it will take time to maintain it if you want to use on a particular temperature. But for boiling also it can be used. Better not to do it because these are not designed for boiling the water. But these are for melting or sliding or put the slide or moving the wax. Very easy to use. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel www.abronexports.com, and email, you can send us an email abron01@gmail.com and visit the website. Thank you very much.